morning, you guys. Well, good afternoon. I am currently getting like all the last minute little, like, yeah, just ignore the mess. But I'm getting all of the like last minute packing done. I'm going for the next, me and Carter are going for the next week to my family's, we call it Bronk Bash. So, because our last name is, well, mine isn't, but my maiden name's last name is Bronkema, and we've been doing this for, gosh, I don't even know how long, maybe 4-6 years. And we call it Bronk Bash 2K. Also, sorry, Woody. No, thank you. Thank you. We call it like Bronk Bash 2K, whatever it is. So like, what is it? Year 24? Yeah, so Bronk Bash 2K14, 224. Wait, 2K24. Yeah. But anyways, so I just made my little matcha the right way. I know the video I showed you guys before was I add like collagen and cinnamon. I added that. I will do that, but honestly, I do that maybe like a couple days a week. But I mainly just stick to matcha, my raw milk, and ice, and honey, or I made mine with pure maple syrup instead of the honey, and it mixes way better. I just made some hard-boiled eggs, and those are cooling just because they're like a really easy snack to bring that I can eat, like if there's something that I can't eat, because there's certain things that I can't eat that they eat. It's always like a good, like, something for me just to grab and go. I need to do my makeup. I need to do my skin. I'm probably not gonna do makeup today. I had to put on, reapply lashes. Woody's coming with us too, but I'm kind of worried about him because he has extreme anxiety. But we are saying here, fearful dog. No, fearless. Woody's fearless. I'm really sad though, he literally vomited like a yellow bile today. I don't know why. So I hope he's okay. Brought you guys into the bathroom because I also wanted to mention that I'm not going to be filming that much on my family vacation because it's kind of like me and Carter, it's kind of like our just relaxing time where we don't kind of shut off everything. But I did pre-film a video that I will be posted this week. Yeah, it's already posted by the time this video's up. My hair's crazy. I woke up like this, like my hair. I just woke up like this. I just don't really feel like doing anything. But gosh, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, plus my family doesn't really like being filmed. I think it's the vibe I've gotten throughout the years. So I might film like a couple things maybe, like, but I'm sorry. I never want like anyone to feel uncomfortable. This is like actually literally insane, but this is the only makeup I have now. Like, I got rid of everything. Like, this is makeup, and with like 3 skincare things in here. But I got all this, this is all non-toxic makeup, including tanning mist, like face tan mist that's non-toxic, or that's at least scales like really well on this list. I use the app Yuka. The only thing that's not non-toxic is this Glow Recipe. It's a hyaluronic lip plumping balm, but I literally had just gotten it and I might return it, but at this point it's the one thing that actually is non-toxic. But and this Patrick Ta blush, it's like a cream blush with a powder. And this is like, a lot of the stuff that I threw away was like really expensive, but I don't really care because like wealth is health. Like, health is wealth, not the thing. So I could care less about that. I switched over to all non-toxic. Other than that, I've done an updated skincare routine with all these products and it's literally insane. My skin is so glowy. I usually, like, my nose will run when I do my makeup, and literally it didn't at all. I usually get like kind of inflamed, I noticed like not being inflamed. It's absolutely insane. I'm obsessed with all this stuff for lowering inflammation. I talked to you guys about a body brush that I got, but I also just got a little mini one that's way softer bristles, and this is like for my face. So before I do my makeup every day, before I do my skincare, I will literally just go through and dry brush my face, which helps to detoxify and get my lymphatic system going and drain all of that gunk out. This mixed with like my ice roller is pretty bomb. And it also just helps, it exfoliates your skin, so helps get all the dead skin cells off. My skin, guys, I mean, sorry, I just came at you really intense, but my skin has never felt so, like, I wish you could just feel it. It's so amazing. I also switched over to using beef tallow products on my face. So like for my skincare, all I use is one. Like as of right now, I have a couple things coming in, but I tried out this. It's from Toops & Co. Organic, and it's frankincense face balm. And it's literally just grass-fed tallow, organic virgin olive oil, organic frankincense, there's like 2 different kinds of frankincense in here. And I listened to a podcast from the Skinny Confidential, and they had the owner of Toops & Co. Organics come on and share her complete her story and how they make this. And it is amazing. Like I can't believe it. Like they have their own little farm and they make like everything out of this. So it's completely changed the game for my skin. I put it on Carter and he like is glowing. It keeps me moisturized. Like, I don't know if you see these, but I have like little like neck wrinkle things or like coming in, and I'm like hoping that this will get in there and like help smooth it, because it already has. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm literally packing all of these things because these are like non-negotiables, except I probably won't. I use Ilia skin tints. I have like 3 different shades for when I'm really tan and when I'm not. So I probably won't bring one of those because I just don't really wear, I really just don't wear makeup when I'm on this trip. I just have a lot of little things I need to pack. I need to do like a non-toxic, healthy like walkthrough of everything I use, and I'll like and share links because I found some really good stuff that's been working for me. I'm throwing out a lot of like videos I want to make and all that, but like I want to know what you guys want to see that. So can you guys comment down below if you guys want to see any of the things that I've mentioned, and if not, then I'll still probably make it. I don't know. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna post videos I would want to share with you guys and what I would want to watch.
I really want a Dr. Pepper. No. What's the Yuka on a Dr. Pepper?
Really bad.
You should look it up.
Oh no, it's gonna die.
Uh-oh.